Hi again, viewers. Off for another camp. A very muggy, warm day. About 25 degrees already. It's only midday. Whew, warm, sweating. But it's that time of year. Got to get out and enjoy this lovely woodland. So, got my kit here ready. Haven't set up yet. I've only just got here. So we'll sit down, have a drink, cool off a bit, cool down, then I'll get the hammock set up. Nice. There we are, folks. There's the hammock and tarp set up. Different place this time. More tucked into the shade here. Nice. Absolutely perfect. This is, folks. I've got some of that jungle formula spray because last time I was eaten alive by blooming mozzies. There we are, I'm ready to go. Still got some wood over there up against the tree. Absolute peace. Well, except for the aeroplanes up there and that, but that don't matter. I love aeroplanes, folks, as you know. Fly the radio controlled ones, love it, absolutely love it. Oh, it's going to be time to get me get a little fire going. And get some milk heated up for me porridge. There you go, folks. All sorted. Well, this is gone camping, folks. Somewhere in around. Somewhere in that lot of woodlands. Nice place this is up here. So I'll go for a little wander up over that way and we'll get to the top of the hill. There's a wonderful view of the river and the West Wight. There we are, folks, going up the hill. Fort is just there. I'll see if I can reverse it while I'm still filming, folks, but it's part of the fort there. Let's get a better view for you. Well, the Palmerston Forts. It's luxury apartments. There used to be a nice pub there called the Lord Palmerston. Staggered out of there a few times 30 odd years ago, viewers. That's all closed down now. There's little footpaths and walks around here. Beautiful dog rows there in the hedge. This is where I come up to get all my sloes to make me sloe gin for Christmas. Yeah, the fort I think it's like a 50p shaped sort of thing. Yeah, let's go on Google Earth and we'll see it from the air, folks. Look at that view through there. Absolutely beautiful. There you go, folks. If you want to read this info here, you could pause it and have a look. It shows you the timeline when it's constructed, when it was decommissioned and turned into flats. Now there's the shape of it there, folks. There. 6 sides. Anyway, we'll wander down. I'll just wander down through there and I'll show you a nice view over towards the Downs and the Freshwater Bay and the West Wight. That parched bit of ground over there, that was another building for the fort and the army. Lots of old structures still here. There they are, folks. There's the Afton Downs with Freshwater Bay Golf Course. Just about to see Freshwater Bay there through the haze there. And that little dip in the trees. And the Riviera. And you can just see it there beyond that red brick house. On the roof there, to see the river and the reeds, and then beyond that you got Beckett's Copse, and all farmland as far as the eye can see. But what a beautiful place this is, look, folks. Loads of wildflowers, dog roses in the hedge. Even got blackberry down here. Beautiful little oak sapling there, look, viewers. That's nice to see. Right, let's make our way back to camp. There's a bus of flies up here. It was years ago, about 40 odd years ago, just absolutely covered in gorse. They thinned loads of it out, this stuff here. A lot of it's been thinned out, but you see, there's still quite a bit about in it. It will rejuvenate and seed about again. You know, you always leave a bit. There's just too much of it, so you've opened it up. So you get these lovely swaths of wildflowers here. That daisies, wild daisies, absolutely beautiful. Right, let's get back to camp, get some porridge on the go. Right, folks, let's scrape some fat wood, shall we, and we'll try that method again. Shavings. Some nice fat wood shavings there, folks, and I'll do a bit more dust. And be enough there to get the fire going with. So, we'll get that going in a bit. And there's the fat wood there, folks. Let's see if we can get her going. There we go. Some more fatwood shavings here. There goes the stage one. Stage two. There we are, folks, on the campfire. Burning. Just open the fire pit up again. I think I'll make it permanent actually, because no one comes in here. So I'll get some more bricks, a couple of bricks around the edge. Absolutely lovely. Get the porridge on soon. Got some milk in the zebra can there, folks. So we'll get that on my little hanging stick here over the fire. That'll do for my porridge. Like that. That'll just heat through nice and gently. Absolutely lovely. A little shower of rain a minute ago. So I might get some thunderstorms and things, but maybe not on the island, but further north maybe, about 60 odd miles. But we'll see. The milk's done, folks, so we'll see. Lovely. Oh yeah, lovely thick porridge, absolutely delicious. Right, folks, I've cut two little sticks with V's on the end to help prop the grill up. I've got a concrete block at the back. I need something to prop it up to the front, so I've cut these. Just put a little point on each end now. Drive them into the ground, about 2 inches, 3 inches. Hold the old grill up, and I'll get the grub on in a bit. One. Be a bit of whistling in the woods, folks. Once you do the trick for these, get those set up for the grill. Off we go. Well, there's the two little pegs here, folks, I've done for the grill. have today chicken and chorizo paella. Delicious. And it's got king prawn in it as well. Bonus. Right. I'm going to put enough salt in these things, folks. So. Lovely. And we get that frying away, absolutely delicious. I'll bring you back. There we are, folks. This is done. Absolutely delicious. Oh, Get that served up. I'll enjoy that. Oh, yeah. Get it all on the plate, folks. I'll have a very big try. Oh yeah. Absolutely delicious. Jesus, look at that lot. That is absolutely lovely, folks. Well, folks, the paella was absolutely delicious. There's the fire just stoked up. Just a small one tonight, as it's pretty warm. Blackbirds in the background there. Wood pigeon in the tree above me. And there's the setup there. So time to just relax. Watch the fire, the old camp TV there. Absolutely lovely evening. Not a breath of wind. Been absolutely perfect to fly an RC plane tonight. Absolutely perfect conditions. No electrical storms around, so you won't want to fly one of those. Relax, it will affect your radio signal. But anyway, here we are in the woods. Beautiful fire going there, just ticking over. Very little smoke coming off that at all. Absolutely lovely. Well, there's the fire there, folks, just burning down. at 10:15 at night, so I'm going to make a move back to the hammock. You can see it's pretty dark. Slight bit of through the oak trees there, but no. Oh yeah. So it's pretty dark now. Time to retire. It's been a lovely camp, lovely food. And being in this beautiful woodland, so peaceful, so good for the soul. So we'll see you in the morning, viewers. Well, folks, I've just been woke up by the most almighty thunderstorm. It's raining hard out there. Oh dear. I think it's nearly above me. Well, I'm absolutely perfectly safe, folks. If you're in a hammock, you're tied between two trees, you're off the ground. So if you get struck, you're going to be perfectly safe. It's if you're attached to the ground, that's when it hurts. But I'm not. I'm earthed by two trees and swinging between them, so I'm perfectly safe here. Not worried at all about being struck or getting killed by lightning. Oh no. If I was out sitting out the hammock, one foot on the floor, one struck, yeah, trouble. Foot off the ground, you're safe. Oh dear. Well, we'll see if it rumbles in. If it does, I'll try and get it on film for you. There's the thunder again, folks. Right above me, that is. There's been no lightning yet, just rumbles of thunder. The rain's getting heavier. Oh, love it. Rain on top. Beautiful. This is worth getting woke up for. I love it. Toasty warm in the hammock here. Oh, listen to that, it's lovely. Right, folks, I'm going to now attempt to get back to sleep, and I will see you in the morning. Morning, viewers. It's raining hard out there. It's been raining hard like this for about past 3 hours now. As it is now 9:15 in the morning. So, oh my God, look at the state of it out there. So I'm going to get up, get all this lot packed away and get out of here so I don't be stuck in the woods all day. But other than that, it's a lovely camp. Lovely listening to the thunder last night and the rain on the top. So until the next wild camp, see you soon, viewers.